As comparison, this is our old Aldi mower, the Gladiator from Gardenline. This is self-propelled 650 series Briggs & Stratton 190cc Easy Start engine on it. It does need a service, it might not be Easy Start. Normally it starts easier than that. So I'll drop this right down, that's down to the ground. Well, this is a comparison between the two mowers. So to start with, if you're looking along here, like that's as low as it'll go. It didn't stumble at all, it didn't hiccup. One of the bonuses I see with this one compared to the other one, first thing is that the wheels have a bit more grip on it, there's a bit more weight for the drive. I think that the electric Ferrex Pro is geared too high, it was pushing it too quickly. Which I think is half the problem, not allowing it to cut all of the blades of grass. But as you can see with this old petrol one, it just chomps through, doesn't get stuck. I'm going to keep going at that level to do the lawns properly, and yeah, I just thought I'd do that, just that one-off comparison. If you look back from here, Caleb, you can see where it's, you know, it's taken a good layer down on it, and it didn't stumble at all. So. So ordinarily, when this thing's been serviced, it normally starts first pull and not even a hard pull, but I do know that it is in need of a service. I had to add a little bit of oil to it. To be fair, we've had this maybe 4 years, longer than that. Jeepers, it could be
6 or 7 years.
Really that long? Yeah, it's been a while and I've never serviced it, and it's just kept running. This is why I like Aldi stuff, and that's why I thought I'd give the Ferrex Pro a go, because this thing is just
coming to an end.
It's really good. It's never let us down. First pull, not much effort.
Usually it seems a bit louder though.
Right.
When I mow with it, it seems louder.
That's going full to it.
Yeah.
Not that much wider than the electric one. Sorry, not that much louder than the electric. All things considered. It's 190cc engine, so let's still have a conversation.
Yeah. Do you want me to keep recording it? Do you want me to keep recording?